In front of me is TCL Plex, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by opening an app called Files. Then hit Continue. Select Allow, and last but not least, access Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. If you don't have files on your device, just go into Play Store and download free app called Files by Google. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!